Hello children, welcome to my channel Let's Learn with Monami. Hello Monami, hello teacher, hello friends. Today we are going to learn about these two sight words. My and our. So let us understand what is the difference between these two words and how to use them in sentences.
My, M-Y, my. Our, O-U-R, our.
My name is Annie.
My name is Monami.
This is my book.
This is my book.
This is my pen.
These are my crayons.
This is my nose.
And this is my nose.
Bruno is my dog.
Sylvie is my cat.
My relating to me or myself. Now let us talk about our. This is our car. This is our house.
Our school is very big.
And our school library has many books. This is our photograph. So children, when we are talking about our is relating to us. Our relating to us or ourselves or ourself.
Thank you children for learning with Monami, and please do like, subscribe and share the channel. See you in our next episode. Till then, bye.
Bye, friends.